Happy New Year, guys. This is 2023. So, today I'm sharing the best vegetable pizza. If you all by yourself, do try this recipe. You can go to a grocery store and you can get all these vegetables. They are sliced, they are diced, and we will be making from the same ingredients. We will be making the best pizza ever. You guys imagine. So, let's get straight into the video. So, this is the pizza dough. You can get it from Walmart if you live in America, or you can get it from any grocery store. Just find this pizza crust right there. So first of all, we will be opening this pizza crust. Wow, it busted on me. So I think it's on the room temperature. So here you go. This is our pizza crust. Likes to be a rectangular form pizza crust. First thing first, this is our baking sheet, the pizza baking sheet. We will put some olive oil at the bottom. We will take a napkin, any napkin, or you can use a brush, a baking brush, and you will just spread this olive oil all over the sheet. Okay, it's all done. This goes to trash. Okay, so this is our dough. Okay, so the dough should get out. This is what you get afterwards. So this is the dough. Try to spread it, whatever forms it takes, rectangular or round form. If you guys like the round form, you can stretch it, make it a round form. If you guys like rectangular, make it a rectangular form. It's very easy, a doable job. I would suggest get some olive oil, rub it on your hands just like this, so you have olive oily hands and you can work on your pizza. So here what I'm doing, I want to make it a round pizza. Anyway, it's a rectangular dough and I can easily just make a rectangular pizza and tell you guys just do as whatever the packaging says. But no, I want to do my own style, and I would suggest you guys to do your own styles, you know. Cooking is all about the passion. Cooking is all about what you like, and I will highly recommend do whatever you like, you know. Don't tell no one to guide you. I mean, you can watch the videos and learn how to do the stuff, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be you. Anyway, so this is handmade round form of a pizza dough, as you guys can see. This is not perfect brown, but it's a handmade stuff, you know. First thing first, let me show you guys this. I'm using this red sauce for the pizza, and I'll be opening this and spreading this right here on the dough. This is what you guys need to do as well. Red sauce on the dough. First of all, use the baking brush. So it has the olive oil, basil, and garlic in there already. So it's already in there. If you're a bachelor, if you're by yourself and you want to make your home cooked food, I'm sharing this recipe just for you. So you can do that. All perfectly spread it out, right? We will use the mozzarella cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. So get the mozzarella cheese after the red sauce. Handful of mozzarella cheese, just like this, and spread gently. We have to spread it. We don't have to rush it over. We don't have to just drop the whole cheese right on top. One more handful of mozzarella cheese right there, and spread it gently right on top. These are diced pineapples. You can get it for $1 a can. So this is $1. So place it gently, you know. It should not be overloaded. I would say spread it nicely, just like you love what you're doing. That's the recipe. If you guys love what you're doing, it's more fun to do it. So the whole can of pineapple chunks are right on my large pizza. Okay, these are the olives what I'm using. These are diced already. These are chopped. This is $2 a can. You can take the olives and you can just spread gently again right on top of your vegetable pizza. Bachelors means you don't need anyone's help. You just get the ingredients, you get back home, and you make the best pizza ever, and you enjoy that pizza. So here I got these sliced vegetables. So they have bell peppers, the red and the green, as you guys can see. The red and the green, they are already sliced. I paid $3 for this. We will take this, it's already sliced, and we will just spread some of them, not all of them, on top of our pizza. Trust me, it gives nice flavor on your pizza. So this is a vegetable pizza. You have to make sure it has the vegetables which gonna taste good, you know. This is what you have to do, that's all. It's not a rocket science. Again, all done. So it has the sliced white onion right here, and we will spread some of the onion right here, right on top. So sliced white onion right on top. So I got some baby tomatoes right here. These are the baby tomatoes, as you guys can see. You can get those very cheap for like $2 or $3, and we will be slicing these tomatoes on our dreamy vegetable pizza. So I'm gonna be making 4 slices of these guys. I don't want big chunky of it. You can just slice through in the middle and make it a chunky tomatoey pizza, but this is a combination of many vegetables. So just put it right there, slice this one, put it right there, again slice this one, put it 2 in the middle. We will take 2 more of the baby. Let me show you guys the sliced mushrooms. This is like $2 a pack, and these are sliced mushrooms. You see, they already sliced it, and we'll be putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the final vegetable I'm adding on the pizza is a jalapeno. Slice, put it right there. Slice. I like spicy stuff, so I'll add a little extra in there. Alright, so all the vegetables, guys, are on the pizza. Handful of mozzarella cheese. Spread it all over on top of it. Alright, so we are planting the raw broccoli right in our pizza after adding the cheese, the vegetables, and everything right in there. So I'm taking the raw broccoli, which is already chopped up, and I'm slicing it through the middle. I'm just adding some broccoli right on our vegetable pizza. So good is that, right? The vegetable pizza. It has a lot of vegetables. I can't even count on my fingers right now. I'll add some more olives right on top. The vegetable pizza should have more olives and pineapples in there. I added a lot of them on the base. I'm taking a handful of mozzarella cheese again, and I'm sprinkling more right on top. Just check the size of this thing. The vegetables, the tomatoes, and all those vegetables. Check this. I mean, let me show you guys. This is the bottom layer, and this is all the stuff we put it right on top. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys after 15 to 20 minutes once I put this pizza in the oven, which is on 425 degree already. So 425 degree after 15 to 20 minutes, and you will see the final result. So guys, this is after 20 minutes right here. Wow, it looks yummy. We will take a pizza cutter right here. Pizza cutter right here. Sorry, vegetables. It has to go right in the middle. This is done. We'll make another cut. It's full of cheese. I can tell you from now. Full of cheese and the vegetables. We will take another cut. Full of cheese again. This is the first experience I'm getting. Final cut of the vegetables. This is all full of cheese. Take out the first slice from the bottom. So this is the first slice, guys, right here. Wow. A bachelor's vegetable pizza right here. So this is the whole slice of it. Let me show you guys. Okay, I hope it holds. This is the bottom part of the pizza, right? It's all fully cooked. Let me take the first bite. Imagine all these vegetables, the flavors are just right on the top of all of it, you know. Wow. Oh my. This is oh my pizza, the vegetable way, the healthiest way. Check this: the pineapple, the broccoli, the bell pepper, the onion, the pineapple again, the jalapeno here, the olive right here. Oh my god, this is so good. This is the best vegetable pizza you can ever make by yourself or with the family. If you guys are hungry, try this. If you guys are born hungry, definitely you should try this. This is the best recipe ever I can share with you guys for the vegetable pizza. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care, subscribe the channel. This is the main thing. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you. Bye bye now. Oh my. Wow, you don't need any sauce for it. I wish I had 20 of those right here. Crusty bite. This is it.